Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2026 Nautique G23. So the G23 has the white hull and then Admiral Blue metal flake along the side. Beautiful looking boat here in the sun. As we come to the back, we've got the standard NSS, we got the surf pipe, we've got the steer assist, underwater lights, seats in the back of this G23. Let's go to the interior and take a look at some more options. All right, welcome aboard this 2026 G23. As you can see, the interior has the Mojave brown. We've got the nice sea deck walk-through. The G23 is the best-selling boat in Nautique. We've got new board racks for 2026. We've got the nice U-shaped seating as always. And as we walk on, we've got the nice big Link Panerai screen. We've got the new battery switch on this side over here as well. Bow filler cushion for the bow. Heated seats. Beautiful boat. It's here in our Rogers location, G23 2026. Come on by.